Welcome back to the channel, everybody. You guys might notice that I'm standing inside my shop right now. So in this episode, we're gonna take the shop from a skeleton to a completely enclosed with steel shop. So stay tuned. So we're just going to kick things off here with the roof steel in time-lapse mode, of course. Here we go. So getting the steel on the roof was a huge milestone for us. We wanted to get that on before the snow came. And I have to thank Peter and Lance for their help. So I actually hurt my ankle working on the shop. So I wasn't able to crawl up there, and those guys stepped it up and got it done. So thank you so much, Peter and Lance. I appreciate it. Also, big thanks to Josh and Matt, who also helped out. Thanks, guys. Couldn't have done it without my friends and family. Thank you so much. The next step is putting all the end wall posts up. So some more time-lapse mode, of course. Check it out. It's amazing how easy this stuff looks in time-lapse mode. It really hides all the effort and it just shows things going together so easily and so quickly. Let's move on to the wall steel. The actual wall steel took a long time, but check it out. And you guys guessed it, time-lapse mode again. thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it like crazy. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. And I think we're just going to wrap up this episode with some more drone shots and some fancy music, and then we'll go from there. So thanks again for tuning in. If I haven't said it already, click the subscribe button, and take care, everybody. Thanks.